mandasum yungure simple tense, continuous tense, and a perfect tense. So you have present simple, present continuous, present perfect. In the same way, you have future simple, future continuous, future perfect, or the yungre. Okay, so right now we're just looking at the simple tenses. Those are the basic tenses. Okay, and they are, they mean different from the other tenses. Continuous, tanda loga jore, and then with the future perfect also the meaning changes. Okay, so this is an introduction to the future tense in the English language, future simple tense. All right. Now, the future tense in the English language, there are many ways of talking about the future. Future called labdan ramadiyare. It depends upon what is it. What is it about the future? Are you talking about a plan? Are you talking about are you predicting something? That's also future. Or is it some hope? All right, an optimistic hope that you're talking about, which is also future? Or is it a decision that you're going to make or you're making, which is also future? Or is it a promise that you're going to make, which is future? Some future offer. You know what offer is? I'll help you. I will do that. I will do this. Okay, that's an offer. All right, like voluntarily offering something. Okay, so many ways of talking about the future. So depending upon what you're talking about, we have a different way of saying it. Okay, we have different rules there. All right, so these are the 5 future tenses that we use the future tenses for these 5 things. All right, we talk very frequently, we talk about plans. Singing at the chindu, singing at the chigi, shuma long at the chigi said, these are all plans. So when you're talking about a plan, all right, in the English language, it's future, but interestingly, you use the present continuous tense. So I am going to study tonight. So am going to study. Look at this. This uses the present tense, but for the future. And when you have this, it means you're talking about a plan. So I'm going to study tonight. It's a plan. I'm going to go to Tibet next year. It's a plan. So plan in China, be verb the chair and going to and verb the ore. Okay, so I am going to study. He is going to study. She is going to study. Says Yorba. All right, so it's this one over here. Okay, so am going to say Yorba. This expresses a plan. All right, so the future in a present continuous tense, but here it refers to the future. So that is future tense when you are expressing a plan for the future. It is future. All right, and then we often predict something about the future. Predictions in Hakulva. So predictions in a 가르친 거 유에메디 쳤다 타고 치고 요래 오 다리 차고 접서래 다리 차고 접서 말해 okay 디기 직 predict 지어봐 the future predict 지어봐. So again we use the be verb. Going is going to and the verb the are. So it is going to rain today. It's a prediction. It's not raining right now, but maybe in the afternoon it'll rain. So it is going to rain today. So for prediction also, you use the same continuous, present continuous tense. Going to, I am going to, he is going to, she is going to, we are going to, it is going to, prediction plan. Okay, so all right. Then showing optimism or hope. The yungsare nga pas lesare, okay, nga chige joy rasare. All right, okay, the hope jirba, optimistic hope. Yungsare sabe yapuch chungsare sabe reva jirba. All right, now in this case we use will. We will be free. Manzurawa regress. All right, she will be here tomorrow. Motar sangi deligris. All right, you will pass in the exams. Can I pass legalists? These are all These are all, they sound like predictions, but they're not predictions. They are just a hope there. Okay. So that's when we use will there. Will says it refers to future hope. Okay. Then in the future, we often make decisions also. Again, you use will. All right. So I will have momos for dinner tonight. Okay. So you see, you're using will there. All right. So for hope also, optimistic hope or whatever hope you have, you can use will. Decisions, you use will. All right. So I will be a teacher. So all right. So when you go to a restaurant and you place an order, you will say, I will have a cup of coffee. All right. I will have a plate of momos. It's a decision that you're making. All right. And then another way of, another future expression that you make is an offer. I will help you. All right. I will close the door. I will open the door. I will carry the bag for you. It's an offer. This is called an offer. All right. Again, you're using will there. All right. And then with promise also, we use will. All right. We will work very hard. It's a promise. Okay. So you see, in the future tense, you express it, grammatically, you express it in two ways. If it's a plan or a prediction, you use the present continuous tense. All right. And if it is a hope that you're expressing, or if it is a decision that you're making, or if it is an offer, or if it is a promise, then you use will. So this is how you have different ways of expressing the future tense in the English language. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, understood. Okay, so
Yes.
the Carson continue will mare say the present continuous tense dile de gore and the kawal kar kugu yumek dere chashi in a logre choba with the future prediction in a logre shamang chelia will say. Okay. All right, so that's just a summary or an overview of the different kinds of the different ways of talking about the future. Okay, now let's look at the first one, plans. To plan the plans on ya. Okay, so when you're talking about a plan, we use the be verb is and are. So these are this group of verbs are called the be verbs. Plus, and then you use going to, and then you have the verb over here or the. Okay, so I have an exercise for you, so I'm going to share. It's in the textbook. It's on page 66 and 67. So I'm going to share something else. Let's see, do I have a sharing? Yeah, new share. Okay. New share chamber. Okay. And the document. I think I have to stop sharing this first, and then I will share. Okay. What happened? Okay. Sharing on link में and your desktop can the share can do with the okay, so that the less was sharing on. All right, so page 66 and 67. Can you see now?
No.
Oh, I can't see.
Can
Can you share chimundu?
Share chigwa. Share che. Oh, taligre.
Oh, talis.
Okay, so this is 7B. Here we are. This is 7B. Okay, so if you look at this, can you see this? See that?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. So here's a dialogue there, actually. And all of this dialogue is talking about plans. Plans can't get you out there. Okay, so can you read the dialogue there? Let's see. Liz has plans for a very special trip. All right, she has made some plans to go on a trip, and so we can read the dialogue because I don't have the audio right now. Okay, let's see. I'll fill in the blanks. Audio it's very easy. So you can just fill in the blanks to get the complete dialogue there. All right. So here are the verbs: be, camp, come back, cycle, go. You have to use 2 times. Go the 2 times, and start and stay. Okay. So let's see if we can do this together. 7B, yeah. All right. Okay. So the first is Jerry. Jerry is asking, what exactly are your plans, Liz? All right. And then Liz says, I'm going to cycle from Ecuador to Argentina. So you can see the map. This is the map of South America. Right here is Ecuador. So she's going to cycle from Ecuador to Argentina. That's a very long way. That's her plan. So she's saying, I'm going to, because it's a plan there. So I'm going to cycle from Ecuador to Argentina. Okay, then Jerry asks, wow. All right, wow. How far is that? How far is that? And then Liz is saying, it's about 7,500
kilometers.
Okay, now Jerry has a question there. Are you going to dash alone? Which of these words is it?
Are you
be
going
alone?
Go.
Be alone.
Are you going to cycle alone?
Cycle alone, yes. Are you going to cycle alone? Cycling, this is a verb, you know?
Yes,
Riding a cycle,
cycling.
you can say cycle. So are you going to cycle alone? Can I cycle chipot na in bes? Okay. Can I chipot cycle ta in bes? Okay, and Liz says, no, I'm not. I'm going to dash with my boyfriend.
I'm
going to stay with my boyfriend.
I am going to go.
Go, yes. I'm
go
going to go.
with my boyfriend.
Yes, go dwa. I'm going to go with my boyfriend. All right? Okay. Then Jerry says, when are you going to? Okay, which of these? Where are you going to?
Start.
Where?
Where are you going to?
Where are you going to camp?
Where are you going to?
Camp or stay?
Camp?
Where are you going to camp? Yeah.
Where are you going
We're
to
going
camp?
to stay then. Stay.
Or stay. Because if you look at the answer there, you see stay. Where are you going to
Where
stay?
are you going to stay?
One day, so you can see people cycling. Where are you going to stay? We are going to
stay.
stay.
We are going to.
Where are you going to stay?
Camp.
We are going to camp.
And
Maybe
sometimes they are small
Sometimes
hotels.
stay in more hotels.
Okay, we are going to camp. All right, could be in there. All right, but sometimes maybe we sometimes stay in small hotels, so it makes perfect sense. Okay,
Yes.
Going to camp, but sometimes maybe in small hotels. Okay, then Jerry says, when are you going to dash your trip? When are you
Start
going?
When are you going to start your trip?
When are you going to start your trip? Okay.
Yeah.
Are you going to start your trip? Okay. And she says in October, and we aren't going to dash until April.
We
aren't going to come back until April.
We aren't going to come back until April. Okay, so she's going to start when? I'm going to we're in October. So October she's going to start, and she says she'll be back only until April. April. And
Mhm.
Jerry says, 6 months, all right? That's 6 months, all right? That's a long time. Are you excited? And Liz says, yes, I am. It's going to,
B.
B.
yes,
fan-
it's going to be a
It's
fantastic
going
trip.
Fantastic.
Fantastic
It's going to
trip.
be a fantastic trip. All right. So here is a very good example of talking about plans. Chashikolia, going to. So this is a good example of a dialogue where Liz is talking about her plans and the grammar that she's using, the phrase that she's using, going to cycle, going to camp, going to come back, going to go, going to start, going to stay. Okay? Okay. Understood?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
So we read this. Now, let's see if you can complete the sentences in the chart below there.
Mhm.
Can you see? There's a little bit of an exercise there.
Read the dialogue again.
And we finish with that.
I am going to cycle from
Ecuador.
Ecuador to Argentina.
Yes, this is a positive sentence. I'm going to cycle from Ecuador to Argentina. Okay? I'm going to cycle from Ecuador to Argentina.
Or Argentina.
Now, how will you ask a question about a plan? It's
Are you
Are
going
you going to alone?
yes. Are you going to go alone? Yange going to Are you going to go
Go
alone?
alone.
All right. And then how do you write a negative plan? Negative plan in the yes.
We aren't going to
We
come
aren't
back
going to come back
Until
until April.
April. Okay, so it's not aren't, it's aren't. Argidatung
Aren't.
Yes.
We aren't.
Aunt.
We
We
aren't
aren't come back.
going to come back until
We aren't
April.
going to.
All right, so never aren't going. We aren't going to come back. Chashi I'm going to come back. All right. And
Yes.
Chashi are you going to come back? Okay. So that's how you say, your plans in the positive, the negative, and the question.
Back.
All right. Understood?
Yes.
Our
Right.
plans.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now,
Yes.
let's see what plans you have for Losar. What are you going to do on Losar? What are you going to do? Do you have any plans?
No.
I'm sure everybody
Yes.
has plans.
I'm going to stay at Sarah.
Okay, I'm going to
I
stay
am
at
going
Sarah.
to puja. I am going to puja tomorrow evening.
All right, so that's about tomorrow. Okay, so I'm going to go for puja tomorrow
Go
evening.
for puja.
Okay.
Oh,
So that's your plan tomorrow. All right.
yes.
Anything else? Anybody else has some plans, some exciting plans for tomorrow or even Losar?
I am going to go for class evening.
For class in the evening?
Mm.
Today?
Yes.
Today?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
I'm going to go for class in the evening today. All right.
Mm.
Then
I'm
I
going to
am
play
going to
football
make
in
momo for dinner.
I'm going to go for dinner. I'm going to go for dinner.
I
When?
am going
When?
to make momo
Uh-huh.
for dinner.
Yes, I'm going to make momos for dinner. That's a plan. Yes, that's a plan. Any plans for next year? No, not next year, but this year. It's a new year, right?
This year. Oh.
So
Yeah.
plans for new year?
If government open the lockdown, I'm going to Dharamsala.
Oh, very good. After
Why?
the government opens the lockdown, I'm going to Dharamsala. Yes, that's a good plan. Yes. This year, any particular plans for this year? It's New Year today. So 2020.
I'm going to join the English class every day.
I'm going to join the
I'm going to join English class, yeah, every day.
every day. So I'm going to
Yeah,
come
every
for
day. This is all.
yes, English class every day this year. All right. Okay. Any other plans you have?
And after lockdown open, I'm going to visit Dharamsala.
Okay, so when the lockdown opens, all right,
Yeah.
I'm going to Dharamsala.
When
Okay,
the
what
lockdown
about
open, yeah.
what about your friend? Okay, say you have a best friend. Do you have any? Do you know? And do you know your friend's plans for this year? Any particular plans for this year? So you can say
Yeah,
my
my
friend
friend-
is or he is.
My friends also going to Dharamsala if the lockdown is open.
With you?
After lockdown, sir. Yeah, with me.
All
And
right.
he's
So my
also
friend
going
is
to join
also,
the.
yes,
also
my
going-
friend is also going to join me. All right.
Mm.
Join me
Join
when
me.
I go
Okay.
to Dharamsala. So
Dharamsala.
we are both going to Dharamsala, right?
We are both going
When
to
when the
Dharamsala.
lockdown opens, or well, you know,
Okay.
when the lockdown ends, we are both going to Dharamsala
Both
when the
going to
lockdown.
Dharamsala.
Yes. Okay.
Also,
When-
he's also joining this class. Also going to join this English class
All right. He's also going to join this English class this year.
for this year. Yeah.
All right. So he's not here at the moment.
Oh no, he's with me. Yeah.
Oh, he's already with you. So he's going
Yeah.
to continue. He's going to continue with the English class this year. All right. He's already
he's
here.
going-
Okay. So
yeah,
he's
with
going
me.
to continue
Going to continue.
English class this year.
Mm.
All right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
if monastery will give a permission to go outside, I and my friend are going to have a dinner at first camp.
When?
When monastery will
open the
give a
lockdown.
All right.
permission.
So when
Allowed to go.
when we get permission from the monastery, my friend and I are going to have a good dinner. at-
Yeah, at first camp.
First camp. All right. So we're going to have a good dinner at first camp. Okay.
When
Yeah.
lockdown open,
hmm
my friend is going to visit to me.
Visit. All right. So when when the lockdown opens, my friend is going to visit me here. Where is he coming from?
Yes. Sorry,
Where is your friend coming from?
he is come from Dharamsala.
Oh, okay. So my friend is coming from
He
Dharamsala
is
and he's going to visit me,
Yes.
right? Okay, good,
Yes.
good, good. So that's all about plans, all right? So that's how you
Yeah.
talk about future plans. Anybody else with another sentence? Your plans for this year. A lot of people have, lots of people have lots of plans for the new year. So plan mong buyarwa. Lo sabi na liya. Okay. All right. So this was a little bit of an exercise for you. And let's look at the next one. This is 7B there. What do we have next? Okay. Now. Okay. So this stop sharing. Okay. So share. All right. So we're here. So we were looking at this exercise. I'm sorry, not this exercise. Plans. You think you practiced it there. All right. And it's also 60. Chikku, there's another one, 66 gun Chikku. Let me just see what other exercise we have. Okay. This is page 66. We finished with this, and this is page 60. Oh, we're done with this. It's Hasha on this Hasha. Okay, so we're done with this. All right. Stop share. Okay, so we go back to our lesson. Yeah. Okay, so that was all about plannings. All right, now here is an exercise. Here's your exercise. Write sentences with the right form of going to. So be here, please remember, be means if it is I, it should be am. He is, or the am is, are, the be verb sigon. So you have to use be going to, use this to write the sentences. Be positive, negative, positive. Let's see if we can do it together. The first one is given. This is a question. It's a question. It's he.
He.
Say, is he going to come tonight?
He-
Is he going to come tonight?
Is he?
All right, it's a question.
Is he going to come tonight? Yeah.
Okay.
Is he going to come tonight?
So this is number one. Number one, this is the positive sentence. You need to make a positive sentence.
They are taking the train to London.
They're taking-
Very good. They are
Are
taking.
they
They are
are they taking the train to
the
London?
train to London.
Oh, they are
They
taking
are-
the train to London in a Karsigo.
Kunzu London Landos.
Train to London.
Oh, train gyuche London dome. The train kini lago marta ya. Train kini to. Train kini London to.
Train to
They're taking the train to the corner. Train la sigo London to it is.
Yeah.
They're taking the bus. I'm taking the bus to Mysore. Mysore le bus now to we. They're taking cigarette. All right. They're taking cigar.
they're going
All
to take-
right. So they are taking the train to London. All right. What about number two? It's a negative sentence.
Mhm. He isn't going to
Isn't going to
University.
university.
That's right.
isn't-
He isn't going to
He
university.
isn't going to university.
Isn't
She isn't going to Martha. She isn't going to go to university. All right. There has to be
Going to
two
go.
gender verbs.
They're going to go
She
university.
isn't going to go to university. Do you see a go
Yes.
here? You see a
Yes.
go
Yeah.
here?
Yes.
Right, that's the verb. That's the verb. You have to put going to in front of it. She isn't
Mhm.
going to go.
To go.
Going to go.
Go.
Going to
Mhm.
take. Going to take. Going to
Mhm.
go to university. All right. Okay. What about number three?
we
Number-
are
We are going
get
to
married next
We are
summer.
we are
They
getting
are
married.
going to
We
get
are
married
getting
next
married
summer.
We
next
are
summer.
getting married.
We are going. Okay. Now you have to
We
use
are
going
going
to.
to-
I'm going to
We
visit.
are
They are going to
We are
get
going
married
to
get
next
married
summer.
Married
summer.
next
next
summer.
summer.
Next
We
summer.
are going to
going to
get married
Next summer.
It's the plan. We
Married
are
next
going to get married next
married
summer.
next summer.
Okay, what about number four? It's a question.
Are you
Are you going to
Are
go
you
out
going
Going
to
to go out for
for
dinner.
dinner?
That's right.
Are you
Are you
out
going
Are you going
out
to
for dinner? Are you going to go out for dinner?
for
That's
dinner.
right. Okay, what about number five?
Is he
He-
going
is he
going
play
to
you
pay
that
you the money?
You the
Yes.
Is
money.
he going to
Pay
pay
the
the
Going to
money?
pay you the money?
Pay you the money.
Is he going to pay you the
Pay
money?
you the money.
Is he going
Yes.
to the
All right, what about
is he
number
going
six?
to the playing money?
Negative.
Six.
I am
I
stayed
am
this
not
evening.
I am not
Evening.
not
not
studying
going
this
to
evening.
this
I am
Going to study.
I'm not
I'm
going
not
to
going
study
going
this
to
evening.
I
study.
am going to study this
evening.
Yes.
I
I'm not
am
going to
not-
study this evening.
evening.
All right. What about number seven?
Oh,
Question.
Are you
Are you
Are
going
meet
to
us
are you going to meet
to
us
meet
at
us
the
at
airport?
the airport?
Yes.
Are you
Are you
going to
going to
meet
meet us at the airport?
Airport.
All right.
Airport.
Are you going to meet us at the airport? Okay. What about number eight?
He is
He is
made
going to
pasta
make
for lunch.
pasta for lunch.
pasta for
Yes. She's going
She
to
is
make
going to
pasta for lunch. She's
pasta
going to
for
make
lunch.
pasta. You know what pasta is?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
I know.
it's
Yeah, it's like
noodle.
tukpa. It's like
Tukpa.
tukpa.
Ready-made
It is
pasta.
an Italian cookbook.
Yeah, Italian tukpa. So she's going to make pasta for lunch. All right. So that's using going to with a verb. All right. And that tells us about a plan. Chashire. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to complete again going to, and you put a verb. You have to choose a verb from here and then use it with going to and fill in the blanks.
Yes.
The first one is given. I'm going to give her a book for her birthday. All right. So give is gone there. Give Pejutan Sab. I'm going to give her a book.
Give her a book for her birthday.
All right. Now, number one is done.
We are
We are going to buy a new car next month.
On
Next
Yes,
month.
we are going to buy
Buy
So we are going to
car
buy
next
a
month.
new car next
car
month.
next month. That's right. Number two, it's a question. It's an
Are
email.
you going
Are you
going to send
Going
him
an email.
Are you going to send him email?
That's right. Are you
An
going
email.
to send him an email?
Send him an email.
Okay. What about number three?
What
A
are
is-
you
What are
going
you
Hang on.
Are you
going
going
to
to
Tonight.
What
What
are you
are you
doing?
going
What
to
are you
do?
going to do tonight?
Yes, what are you going to do
going to do?
Tonight.
tonight?
Tonight.
And B says,
I'm
I
going to
am going to
Going
see
to
a
Film.
see a film.
yes, I'm going to see a film. All right. Okay,
Mm.
what about number 4?
They are
They
They are
are
They
going
are
to
they are going to
take
go
a
to
holiday
going to take a
this
holiday
year.
this year.
Yes,
They are
they're
going to
going
have
to take a holiday, or they're going to take a
Mm.
holiday. They're
Mm.
going to
Going
take
to
a holiday
take
this year.
holiday
They are
this
going to
year.
Delay
take
is
a
gone.
holiday
They're
this
going
year.
to take a holiday this year.
This
Okay,
year.
what about number 5?
Number 4, we
We are
we
going
are
to
going to
stay
stay
in
in
the
that
time
hotel.
in the
stay
going
in
to
that
stay in
hotel.
that hotel.
We are going to
Uh,
stay in
we
that
are
hotel.
going to
Ali.
stay
We
in
are
that
going
Stay
to
in that
stay
hotel.
in the
We are
Ali,
going
we
to
are
stay in
going
that
to
hotel.
Not
It's
stay.
expensive. If it's
Remember,
expensive, you don't stay there. So
We are
we
not
We
are
are
going
going
to
we
to
are
We are not.
not
we are
we
going
going
we
to
are
to
not
stay.
stay.
not
We are
not
not going to
Going
stay
to
in that hotel. We are
in
going
the
to
hotel.
in
we
that.
aren't going to stay.
Very
Expensive.
okay. Don't say
We
aren't.
and
Aren't.
We
Aren't.
are
We
not
aren't
going
going
to
to
Aren't.
stay
we
in
aren't
this
going to
hotel.
aren't.
we aren't
we
going to
are
stay
not
at that
going to
hotel.
Aren't
It's
stay in
going
yes.
that
to
hotel.
We aren't
We
going
stay
aren't
in the
going to
This
stay in
expensive.
that
hotel.
hotel. It's very
You
expensive.
aren't going to stay in a hotel. It is very expensive.
Okay, that's Tupadinda. I'm tired.
I'm tired.
I'm
I
going
am
to go
going
to
to
bed
I'm
early in the
going
bed
evening.
early this morning.
I am going to
Evening.
go to bed
Go
early in
Yes.
At
the
early this
evening.
morning.
early this
Okay, so
I
evening.
I'm
don't going to
tired.
do that.
I'm
I
going to
am
going
go
to
to
bed
bed
go
early.
to
Early
bed
early
early
this
this evening.
Yes.
Early this evening.
evening.
In the number 7 in the. It's
It's
cold
It's
cold
cold
outside.
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 You
Ali, do you
are you
Are you
are you
Are you going
going
to
to have
going
a
to
Taking a coat.
take it?
going
Take
to
it.
have
Are you
take
are
going
you
to
going to take a coat?
are you going to take a coat? Can you
are
take
you
it?
going to take
Take
have
on.
have
Here.
Gorish?
Holiday
yeah
liya
they
Go.
are
Have
they
have
are
they
having
are
they are going to have
they are having a holiday
having
this
a have
are going to have a holiday this year.
they are
they
going
are
to
going
have
to
negative.
they are going to have
They aren't going to
They
have.
are going to have a
they are
holiday.
not
Negative red was, so
have
you have
a
to put the
holiday.
negative of this. They
they
aren't
aren't
going to
going
have
to have
holiday.
They aren't going to
they aren't going to have holiday this year.
Okay, so here is here you say
It's
cold.
called
Are you
are you
going
are
to
you
take
are you going to take a coat?
have a
take
cold.
Are
a
you
coat.
going to take a coat?
All right, what about number 8?
he is
He is going to go
going
To
going to
meet us.
go
Meet
us
us
outside
meet
the
us
cinema
going to
at
go
7
cinema.
he's
o'clock.
going to
Going to
meet
meet
us
us
Going to
7
go
o'clock.
outside
meet us
the
outside the
cinema
cinema
at
at
7.
So he is going to meet us. Lazu tuye.
He's
Shema
going to
shema
meet
ye
Yeah.
ufane. Shema
No,
ko
he's
tuye
going to
ufane.
Yes,
He's
He is
going
going
to
to
meet
Meet
us
meet
outside
us outside the
the
outside
cinema
the
at 7 o'clock.
cinema at
cinema at
7
7
at
o'clock.
7. He's going to meet us outside the cinema at 7. All right.
O'clock.
So no, 7 o'clock. All right. So this is again some more practice using going to. All right, to express
Yeah.
time. Now we have another one over here. So if you look at the picture, all right,
Yes.
the prediction, so we can look at it, look at this later. The prediction card, what is going to happen? Say the penetration. What's going to happen?
Mm.
Then
Write a
the first
sentence
one is
for each picture.
very hot. It's going to be very hot. They are going to be very hot. All right, because they're wearing coats. Can you see?
yes
They're all wrapped
Yes.
up, and it's very sunny outside. So
Mhm.
it's going to be very hot. It's a prediction.
Mhm.
Okay, it's not a it's more like is it a prediction? Okay, so all right, let's look at this again. Use going to. What are they going to do? What are they
they
going
are
to do?
going to they are going to make
They
a
are
pizza.
going to make a
Yes, they
pizza.
are going to make a pizza. All right, and what is going to happen here?
He is going to leave.
He is going to leave soon.
Not he.
No, train
The train is going
is
to.
Ale,
going to leave
Train
soon.
train is going to leave soon.
He's the conductor, all right? So the
Oh.
train is going to leave soon.
The train is going to leave soon.
Okay, and then here something
He
is
is.
going to happen.
He is
He-
going to tell them a story.
He's going to tell
Yes,
them a
he's
story.
going to tell them a story. Okay, what do you think is going to happen over here? Rain, rain.
Tomorrow is going to rain.
Not tomorrow. It's going to
It
rain.
is
Oh,
going
It's going to rain
rain.
tomorrow.
It's going to rain
to
tomorrow.
rain tomorrow.
Tomorrow. It's going to rain tomorrow.
Okay, it's going to rain tomorrow. Okay, what do you think they're going to do?
They are going
They're
to
going to
swim
swim
In
the
in the
river.
water.
Swim in
In
the
the
river.
river.
Going to
Swim in the
swim
river.
the
In the
river.
river.
Going to swim in the river. All right. Okay, what's good? What do you think is going to happen here?
He is going to break his leg.
Yes, he's going to fall and he's going to break his legs. All right. And then what's going to happen? What's going to happen here?
He is going
He
to
is
get
to
late
be
for
late
the school.
School.
Yes, he's going to be
To
late.
be late.
He's
He's going to be late for school.
For school.
Yes, because he's sleeping. All right. And he's
Yes.
overslept. Okay. So he's going to be late.
Late for school.
All right. So that's practice talking about plans and predictions. Okay. So, all right. Now we come to now they're going to some sound. Now we're going to use will and won't. All right. We use this to express promises, offers,
Opposition.
Decision.
All right. So here is a nice activity. Look at the cartoons there. Okay, look at the cartoons. And what do you think the people are saying, Slaptate? What do you think the people are saying? All right. Some of them are, all right, making promises. Some of them are making decisions. Some of these people are making offers. So it could be a promise, an offer, or a decision. And then you can use the negative of will, won't, or you can use the positive will there. Just guess what these people are saying. This is a card logo yesterday. Yana promise it, they may offer it, they may decision. This is okay. For example, this one over here.
Yeah.
I will give you money. I will give you money.
It's offering.
It's an offer.
Yeah.
Is it an offer? I will give
Yes.
you.
I will give you money. I will give you money.
I'm going to give.
I will give.
No.
I will.
Going to
I will.
I will give
I
you
will
money.
pay you back. I will pay you back.
Re-
Okay, anyway. What do you think is here? What do you think? Okay, now what do you think is happening over here? What do you think she is saying to him? She's near the window.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Offering.
Yeah, so
Oh.
what does she say?
I will open the door.
I will
open the window for a better view.
It's an offer. I will open the window.
In the window.
Okay,
I will
now look
open
at
the
this
window.
woman. She's carrying a lot of stuffs, and those men are saying something.
Yeah, also
We
offering.
will drop him.
We will.
Drop
I
her.
will.
We
We
will.
will.
We will open the door.
Open the door.
Okay,
We
we
will
will open the door. Or we will help you because she has
Help
to.
her, yeah, help you.
We will
Right,
help
we
you.
will help
Yes.
you.
We will help you to open the door.
All right, now here there's a waiter there, okay,
Yeah.
and the customer. So the waiter is asking meat or fish, and the customer will say,
I will have meat.
I will have meat. So that's a
Meat.
decision.
Decision.
Yeah.
So I will
Yeah.
have meat. Okay, and then can you guess what's happening here? She is saying these are salespeople in a shop, and
Oh.
she is trying a hat on. try to get it, and then she says something.
I will buy this cat.
Yes, I will buy this cat.
I will buy this
I
hat.
will buy this.
The decision in your wings, so you can see, all right, so you can see the use of will that won't like doesn't matter. All right, now the dialogues are actually given over here. You can complete the dialogues Complete sentences 1 to 6 with a verb from the box and match them with the cartoons. All right. So there you are. Okay. And then you can match
Okay.
them with one of the cartoons. All right. So here are the verbs and these are the sentences. Steak, tidwa, meat, cigar, steaks in.
Take. I will have.
I will
will
have the steak.
I will have the
steak.
steak.
I'll
please.
have the steak.
The steak, please.
All right. Number 2.
I will pay you back tomorrow.
I will
Pay you back
pay you
tomorrow.
back
Pay you
tomorrow.
back. I will pay you back.
Promise. I will pay you back tomorrow. Okay. And number 3,
I will help you.
I
Help
have
you.
I will have
I will
you.
help you.
I'll help you.
Help you.
Offer. Okay.
I-
Number 4,
I'll-
I
I
will
always
love you. Love you.
yes.
love
I
you.
will always love you. Promise.
Always love you.
I will
Promise.
always love you. Promise here. Okay. And then
Yeah.
number 5,
Shall I open
Shall
the
I
window?
open the
Shall
window?
I
Shall I open the window?
shall I
Shall I
open the
open the
window?
window?
All
Yeah.
right.
Shall I
Number
open the
6,
window?
yes.
Yes,
Yes,
it's
it's
very
very
nice.
nice.
I will have it. I will
I
take
will.
it. I will take
I'll
it.
take it.
Will
take it. Okay.
I
will
will
take
take
Linda,
it.
now let's match. Number 1 is I'll have the steak, please. Which picture is that?
E.
Picture E.
Yes. This, so this customer is saying, I'll have the steak, please. Ngasha sagin Islam. All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Then number 2,
I will
I'll
pay
pay
you back
tomorrow. Which one?
Number
B.
B.
B. Number B.
All right. I'll pay you back tomorrow. So he's saying, I'll pay you back tomorrow. It's a promise. Promise. All right. Then number 3,
I will help
I
you.
will help you.
I'll help you.
D.
D.
I'll help you.
I'll help you.
I'll
I'll help you. All right. And then number 4,
I'll always love you.
yes, I'll
Number
always
A.
love you. I'll always love you. Okay, the woman is saying this to her husband. All right, I'll always love you. All right, then number 5,
Shall I open the window?
Shall I open the window?
which one?
Number C.
Number C.
This is she's saying, shall I open the window? Watch out the way. All right. Shall see to I okay. Will the and you da we da shamal will I in a shall see. Shall I open the window? It's an offer. All right. And then number 6, yes, it's very
Yes,
nice.
it's very nice.
I'll
I
take
will
it.
take it.
I'll take it. Which one?
Picture F.
F, yes. She's, oh, this hat is very nice. I'll take it. I'll take it. All right. So here you can see the use of will. All right. And menames won't say your body do the chigi man say it. So this is used to express promises, offers, and decisions in English. It's future tense. Okay. This was it. All right. So now here you have some exercises there.
Complete
All right.
control plus
Samjha
verb.
Prediction re, the plan re, the prediction re.
Mhm.
Complete
promise.
going to class.
It's very like I'm
What
sure.
film are you going to see the tonight? He is very lazy. I'm sure he
You will?
is
He
going to
will
not pass the
not
exam.
pass.
Yes.
He is going
He's
to not
not-
pass the exam.
Will not be won't slugre. So I'm
He
sure
will-
he won't pass.
Pass. He won't pass. Yeah.
He
Yes,
won't pass his
I'm
exam.
sure he won't. So then you're going to
He
better.
won't pass.
He's
All right.
going
You
to
have to use going to.
he's going to not
I'm
pass the
sure
exam.
he's
I'm
not
sure he is not going to pass his exam.
exams. Yes, I'm sure
Mhm.
he's not going to pass
Going
his
to
exams. Right?
Won't
I'm
pass.
sure
Yes.
he's not going to pass his exams. It's a pessimistic prediction there. Okay. What about number 2?
Number 2, are
Are
you
Are
Is
your
is
sister
your
Mother.
sister
Is
Your
your sister?
sister
is your
Is
sister
your sister
Going
going
to
to
a new
going to
going
get
to
buy a new
buy
flat?
buy
Your sister
yes,
going to
buy
buy
sister
a
a
to
going
new
to
buy
buy
a
a
new
Right.
new
buy
flat?
a new
Is
new
your
flat?
sister
New
going to
flat.
buy a
is
new
your
flat?
sister
New flat.
Yes, is your
a
sister
new
going to buy? They buy dedwa, going to buy a new flat. Okay.
Flat.
flat?
What about number 3?
You
We are
are
going to camping.
You are
Um,
going
To
to
go
you
camping
are
next
going to
summer.
in class
Class next.
in class
3 next
We
year.
are
You are
going
going to stay.
next year.
You are
You are
stay
going. You are going to
go
class.
You are going
to be. You are going to be in class 3
B,
next year.
yes.
You are
We are
going to be
going
in.
to
be
You
be
are
in
going to
class
be in
3.
class 3 next year.
We are going to be in
Be
class
in
3
class
next
3
year.
next.
be in.
B, we are going to be in class 3 next year. All right. What about number 4?
We are going.
We are going to
We are
stay
going
to
next
Oh, we are
go.
going to go.
We are going
We
to
are not
go.
going to go.
We ain't.
We
We are
are
not.
going
We are
to
going
we are
go
not going to
next
go
summer.
camping
Yes, we are
camping
going to go
Going
We are
to
summer.
can be
Next
next
summer.
summer.
We
next
are
summer.
going to stay in hotel.
We
We
are
are going to stay in hotel.
Stay.
We are
Yeah.
going to
Going to
stay
stay
in
in
a
hotel.
Going to stay in a hotel.
All right.
We
Number
are
5.
going to
Um,
when
when
When are
When are they going to get married? When
When
are they going to get married?
going to get married?
hello.
we
When are they
married.
going to get married?
In
can
October.
In October.
in October.
When
Number
are
6.
they?
Number 6.
it is
It's a very cold.
Very
But
It's
cold.
very
I
cold,
don't think
Think
but I don't
very
it is
think
going to
It's going to snow. It is going to snow today.
no
I
snow
don't
today.
think it's going to
it's
snow
snow.
today.
Going
it
to.
is
Going
going
to
to
I
snow
Yes,
don't
snow
think
today.
it
very
is
cold.
going to.
I don't think
going
it's
to snow
going
today.
to snow today.
Today,
All right. So
No win your mother.
prediction le lag rahe, chashi le lag rahe. When you're going to see it, chashi le rahe, prediction le rahe. All right. Now here's one. Cross out the wrong form. Ingin anching nor kyo re, cross chesigar. Dina kalu kashiti.
I'm
I
seeing
see. I see.
what are you
I'm
doing?
seeing my boyfriend tonight.
I'm seeing my boyfriend tonight.
This one is correct.
what are
I'm
you
seeing.
Right.
Okay,
I see is not correct.
correct.
I'm
Continuous
seeing.
tense.
what
So
do
I am
you
seeing
do?
my
I'm seeing my
going
boyfriend
to
tonight.
something going to me continuous tense hai pe jo tangre. I'm seeing my boyfriend tonight. It's an intention. I'm seeing my boyfriend tonight. I'm going to see them there together. All right. But here the continuous tense has been used, so it's okay. All right. So now number 1, what are you doing or what do you do after class today? Which one is correct?
What are you going?
What are you doing?
What
What
are
are you going to do?
What are you
What are you
What are you
doing?
doing?
Class.
What
What
are
are you
you?
doing after
Yeah,
What
class
do you do
today?
after the
correct.
class?
What
This is
are
correct.
you doing? What are you doing?
What are you
What are you
doing?
doing
What are you
after
doing
class today?
Doing after class
doing
today?
after class today?
What are you going to do? What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? You're using the present continuous tense. It's correct. But you can also say, what are you going to do after class? So what about this one? Is it going to rain or
Rain.
raining tomorrow?
It is
Is it
going
going
to
to rain tomorrow? It is
Rain
going.
tomorrow.
Is it going to rain tomorrow?
It is going to rain tomorrow.
Okay. What about we are going to go away or we are going away this weekend?
We are going
We
away
are
this
going
weekend.
to go away this
Going to go away.
weekend.
Okay, maybe a plan. We are going to go away We're going to go away this weekend.
Yeah.
It's a
Go
plan.
away.
Okay? So we're going to go away this weekend. Khashe, we are going away this weekend. All right. So because it's a plan, it would be better to say we're going to go away this weekend. And then number 4, I'm meeting or I meet Susan this evening.
I'm meeting this Susan.
Yes, this is an intention.
I'm meeting Susan this evening.
Yes, it's an arrangement. Agreement I'm meeting Susan this evening. Okay, number 5, where are you going to stay or where are you staying in Paris?
Where, where are you going to
going to
stay?
stay.
Where are you
Where are you going to
going to
stay? Where are you going to
stay
stay
in Paris?
This is interesting. If I say, where are you going to stay in Paris? It's a plan. But if I
Yeah.
say, where are you staying in Paris? So now this is a plan there. All right. So you say, where are you going to stay in Paris? All right. Because we're talking about plans. Okay. Now then number 6, hurry up. We are going to be late or we are being
Hurry
late.
We're going to be late.
We are going to be late.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we are going to be late.
we are going to
7,
be late.
she's going to come or she's
going
coming
to-
tonight.
She's coming tonight.
It's tonight.
She is
to
going
come,
to
okay,
come
going to
tonight.
Going to
Coming
come
tonight.
back coming tonight.
She's going to come tonight.
What?
She's going to come tonight is a plan. She's coming tonight would be more like a prediction. All right. She's coming tonight.
Decision.
A decision. Yes, it will be more like a decision. She's coming tonight or she's going to come tonight. Oh, all right. Okay. So this is about using going to present continuous tense. Okay. Now here it's the use of will and won't. Let's see if you can do this. Prediction. Yeah.
They
promise.
won't.
For example, it
Will
will be difficult. This is
Yeah,
a
they won't win.
difficult. Yes, they won't
They
win.
will win.
They won't. They will win.
The negative
No,
one, they won't
here
win.
is negative.
They won't.
All right.
They won't win.
They won't.
They won't
win.
win.
The meeting.
It's
This is a question.
The meeting will be long.
Well, the meeting.
Question. Question.
Will the meeting
Will the
will the
meeting
Will the meeting be long?
Yes.
Will the meeting
the
be
long?
long?
Will the meeting be long?
Written
Because you
below.
have to use will. All right. Will the meeting be long? All right. And then this is a negative sentence.
He won't get
won't
the
get
job.
He won't
He
get
won't
the
get
job.
the
The
job.
job. It's a prediction.
Get
And then
Won't get the job.
this is a question.
will you see him at
Will
the
you
party?
see him at the
Will
party?
you see
Are
him
you
Party.
at the
Yes.
party?
will you
You
see
at the party?
him
at the
at
party.
the party?
Decision. All right. And then number 5, it's a positive sentence.
It will
It
be
will be
impossible to
impossible
park.
to
It
park.
will be impossible to
It will
park.
be impossible to park. All right. And then here it's a negative sentence.
You
You
won't
won't
like
like the film.
You
You won't
Yes,
like
won't
the
like the
won't
film.
like the film.
When do you like
Won't like
the
the
film?
film.
Then this is a positive
Won't
sentence.
like that. You won't
So
like
the
He will love
you
the
will
chocolate.
But you
love
will love
He will
the
love the
chocolate we
chocolate
bought
we
her.
bought.
He will
Yeah.
love the chocolate
She
you bought
will
her.
love the chocolates we
The
bought her.
chocolate
She
we
will
bought
love
her.
the chocolates we bought her. All
We
right.
bought
Okay.
him.
And then number 8,
There won't be a
There
lot
won't
of
be a
won't
lot of
be a
traffic
lot
in
of-
the
Lot
morning.
of traffic
There
There
at
won't be a
6
lot of
o'clock.
traffic.
Traffic at 6 o'clock.
That's right. Okay. Number 9.
You can
you
you
will can find a good job.
You will
can job. find a good job.
Good job.
You will
You
find
not can.
You will.
a good job.
Let me tell you something. This is interesting. This can is a in future for can you have to say be able to. Can your can say the future
Oh.
able to chalta.
be able.
we will able to find a job. We will be able
Will
to
you
find.
will you be able to find a good job? Can the present na pejutangre,
Oh,
right? I can find a good job. That's present. All right. But
yes.
will you be able to find a good job? All right. Mao can they be able to
Will you be able to find a good job?
Yes,
You
not
will be
will.
able
Be
Not
to
will can.
find a good job.
Will
Will you be
can
able to
find
You'll be
find a
able
good
to
good
job?
job?
Will be able for good
Will
job.
you
Oh,
be
can,
can-
present, could past, future, be able.
Be able.
be able-
Or the girl that can't be.
Will
Right?
you be
You
able to
will-
find a job?
Yes. Will you be able to find a good
Find a
job?
good job.
Okay. Or the can job? Why can the future the be able to? All right. Now complete the predictions with will and won't. Let's see. Be, do, the ganda. Yeah, the first
He
one is
will.
I don't think we
I
will
don't think I
We
we
will
will
This
not
one is
wear.
the
One
last.
is
This one
probably
is
the
This
last.
one
probably
is
the last.
probably
The
there.
last.
Richard
Probably the
Nixon.
last.
Richard Nixon This is what Richard
Ne-
Nixon
this-
said, 1971.
1971.
Taken
71.
about the Vietnam War.
Talking about Vietnam.
America
War.
ke President Richard Nixon ki 1971 la love re the Vietnam War liya. So this is what he said. So I don't think we will have another war. It's a prediction. Ta yung maris ma shen ba ke maris love wa so chaba ran ke wa. Okay, what about, so let's try these. Number 1,
He will never do anything
He will
important in
never
life.
do anything important in life.
he will never
you
do
were-
Do
anything
do
important in
anything
life.
important
important
in life.
in life.
This is what Albert Einstein's teacher said about Einstein. Einstein ko like gengilar ko the shuma pema do chagresler, but then he became the greatest scientist. All right. So he will
Yes.
never he will never do
father.
anything
Do
important.
anything important.
Ko ke ku chetu maris lor ma ke gen.
Mm.
All right. What about number 2?
No, no film
About
about civil
No
war.
film about
Mm.
About
war.
the
Civil
civil
war.
war.
Civil war will
No film
Will
about civil war will ever be any money.
Ever
ever
Will ever make any
make
money.
any money.
No film
Make
about
any
the
money.
civil
No
war will ever
film
make
about the Civil
Any
War
war.
has ever made any money. Has ever
Make any money.
has ever
Has
made
ever.
any money.
No,
Right?
no.
No film about the Civil War has ever made any money. Okay. So this who said this? This person over here, MGN executive. All right. What about number 3? These are some famous quotations. All right. What about number 3?
It's a
It's a
bad
bad
joke.
joke.
It's a bad joke.
It's a
It's a
bad
bad
show.
It won't
It-
last.
It won't.
It
won't
will.
It won't last.
It won't last.
It
won't
won't
last.
last.
Won't last.
The tachug maris lavetri last and tachug sigon the tachug mare that they and he was talking about the miniskirt. All right. So
Yeah.
Coco channel he was talking about the minis. Okay, what about number 4?
I don't
I
care.
I don't think
There will be a woman
there will be
in
be
our
a will be there will be a woman
Prime Minister in my
in my
lifetime.
lifetime.
I don't think there will be a woman prime minister in my lifetime. So this is
Minister.
Margaret Thatcher, the first woman prime minister of England, all right, of the UK. She said this in 1973, all right? So I
Yeah.
don't think there will be a woman prime minister in my lifetime, all right? So these are my predictions. Okay, so you're using will there. And then we have the last one over here. Match the sentences. It's cold in here. It's cold in here. You can tell me. Cold those lovely. So
Mm. I will
we
help you.
cold in cold in
Shall I shut
I
down
will
the
get you a
window?
glass of water.
Shut down the window.
Shut
Shall I shut the window?
Shut down the window.
Shall I?
Shall I shut the
Shall I
window?
shut the window?
Shall I? Where is it?
Shall
Shall I shut the
window.
window?
window.
Yeah, here.
Window.
I shut the window.
Yes. Shall I shut the window? 장무 shoes. And
Yeah, boss.
okay, so this is an offer. These are all offers. All right. So I'm thirsty.
I will get you a glass.
I will
Yes,
I will
I'll
get
get
a
you
get
a
a glass of water.
So
Water.
this is an offer. I'll get you a glass of water. I have a headache. What is the offer?
Right.
Shall I make you a sandwich?
No, normal.
How is that related?
Shall I turn
Turn on the music.
off the music?
Music.
Turn off. Yes. Shall I turn
I
off?
shall turn off the music.
Shall I turn off the music?
Shall I
Right,
turn
the
off the
music is
music?
too loud. You can have a headache. All right. So she's
Yes.
saying, I have a headache, and then another person saying, okay, shall I turn off the music? This is an offer. Okay. This
Shall I turn off the-
exercise is very
Exercise
hard.
is
This exercise
hard.
is hard. So what is the
I
offer?
will help you.
I'll help
do-
you
I
to
will
do
help
it.
you
help
to
you
do
to do
it.
it.
Help you to do it.
I will
I'll
help you to do it.
I will help you to do it.
Okay. All right. I'm
I will help
hungry.
you to do it.
Shall I make you a sandwich?
Sandwich,
Yes.
yes. I'm hungry. Is low.
Shall I carry one for
Make you a
you?
sandwich.
No.
These bags are heavy.
I'll hang
Bags
it.
go chumbutus. Low. Ta len kar kya re?
Shall I
Shall I
carry
carry
one
one
for
for
you?
you?
Shall I carry one for you?
One
Or
for you.
one for you.
One for you.
One
One
for you.
Yola chik nye kyo gosla. All right. I left my wallet
I
at
left
home.
my wallet.
What was the
I
word?
will lend you some money. I will lend you some money.
I'll lend you
I
some.
will
I
lend
lent
you
you
some
some
money.
money.
Wallet sina so special usa bagusi warpa. I left my wallet at home. So I'll
I will lend you some money.
I will lend you some money.
I will lend you some money.
I need that
need
photo.
that urgently. I need that
Okay.
photo urgently.
I will send it
I
by
will
email
send
now.
it by
I
my
sent it by
See,
I
these
email
are
now.
By email.
Yes.
I will send
Yes.
it by email now.
Okay, so these are all examples of offers. Nye robo chego, nye soro chego, nye kiro chego. So these are called offers. Nye chego, nye chego. So these are called offers. So in offers, you use will. Will said Bichtangdwa. In the same way, you have some more offers over here. What would you like?
What
And
will
B
you
says,
like?
this is a decision.
I
I
will
will
have
have the pasta.
pasta.
I will have the pasta.
Okay, so A says, I can't open this window. And B says,
I will help you.
I
I
will
will
help
have
you.
you.
I will help you.
question.
Shall I help you?
Will I have
Can I help
you?
you? Can I help you?
Will I help you?
Then
Shall I
Will
Help you? Shall I help you?
I
yes. It's a
It's
secret.
a secret.
B says,
I will not.
I won't.
I
I
won't
I
tell
won't
anyone.
tell-
I
I
won't
won't
tell
tell
anyone.
to
I
any
won't
I
tell
won't tell
anyone.
anyone.
I won't tell anyone.
Tell
I
anyone.
promise.
I
I
promise.
promise. This is a promise. And then A says, when will I see you again? And B says,
When
I
will I
will
see
see
you
you
again?
tonight. I will see you tonight.
we'll
I
see
will
you
see.
tonight.
I will see you.
Promise. Promise.
I will call you tonight. I will
Yes.
call you tonight.
I'll call
Can-
you tonight.
Can I
Oh, there's a
borrow
call over
50
here. I'll call
pounds?
you tonight. Yes.
Call it right
Yeah.
now. Call it.
And number 4, can I
Can I
borrow
borrow
50
bucks?
euros? 50 bucks,
50.
yes.
Can I borrow
50
50 pounds?
I will
I
pay you back
shall
tomorrow.
will
I
back
will
tomorrow.
pay you back
I'll
tomorrow.
pay you
back tomorrow.
Will
It's a
I will you pay?
I will
I
pay.
will
I'm
you?
sorry.
I
It's
will
a,
pay you
Are
back
you?
tomorrow.
I'll pay you back
I
tomorrow.
will-
Promise.
I
it.
will you
I will pay.
Okay, then 5
I
says,
will.
it's my birthday
It
next
is for the next week.
Don't worry. I won't forget.
I
Don't
won't
worry.
forget. Yes, don't worry.
Which is
I
my
I won't forget.
next.
I won't forget
Don't
it.
And then
worry. I
6
will.
says, okay, A
I
says,
won't
I don't
forget.
I
feel
don't
very
feel very well.
I
Good, Raj, a
will
question.
forget.
Shall I help you? Shall
I
I?
don't.
Shall
I
I help
don't
you?
feel very well.
Shall I?
Shall I help you?
Home? Do you got it?
Shall I?
Shall I help you?
Shall I take you home?
Take
I'll
you
be
home?
Shall I take
Shall
you
I
home?
take you home?
Shall I take you
Shall I
home?
take you home?
Shall I take you home? Oh, yeah, now to check
I
away.
take you.
Right. Okay. So now
Yes.
you
Take
see,
you home.
yes. So you see how you talk about plans,
Yes.
how you talk about predictions, and how you talk about offers and decisions. Okay. So this is
Yes.
a practice there on the use of the future tense in the English language. Okay, start there. Now let's see if you can make your own sentences. All right, now here is an example. These are with non-bebobs. Bebop, remember that. So if you look at the first one, I'm using see here. Here I'm using rain. Here I'm using return. Here have, and here open. It's not a bebop. All right, the bebop mata. Okay, so the plan, my example of a plan is I'm going to see a movie on Sunday. It's my plan. So I'm going to see a movie on Sunday. See a movie on Sunday. This is my plan. Predictions, my prediction. It is going to rain today. It is going to rain today.
Rain today.
Yes. Now promise. I will return your money tomorrow. I will return your money.
Money tomorrow.
Yeah. See, I'm using I will over here. I will return. Decision, I'm using will.
Your money.
I will have a plate of momos, please. I will have a plate of momos, please. And then an offer, I will open the door for you. I will I shall I will open
Shall I?
the door. Yeah, no, this is not a question. All right. So
Oh.
I will open the door for you.
I
This
will
is
open the door for you.
okay. You can use will or because it's an I over here. You can use will or you can use shall. Doesn't matter. All right. I live you. Okay. Just hold on. There's a question. Hello. 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 A prediction, a promise, a decision, and an offer. So say that really. Plan. Thinking of the plan, I'm going to write it over here.
I'm going to
I'm
play
going
football.
to play a football on Sunday.
Yes, so I'm going to play football on Sunday. All right, that is what.
Yes.
Okay, so this is a plan. All right. Okay,
Yeah.
now please predict something. Predict. That's a prediction.
Monastery will going to open the
Prediction.
monastery are going to open the lockdown next month.
The monastery is going
It's
to
going to open the lockdown next month.
the monastery. Ah.
Decision. Yeah. It is going to rain tomorrow.
Yeah, it's going to rain tomorrow. Give me another one. Rain the Pejatan Saswa.
It is going to end the pandemic this year.
Tomorrow.
Yes?
It's going to shine
It's going
tomorrow.
to
Shine.
Going to end the
Sunshine.
pandemic this year.
the pandemic is going to end this year.
The pandemic is going to end this year.
Yes, the pandemic is going to end
This year.
yeah. All right. So this is a prediction. Yes. Okay. Promise.
I will return your.
I will
I will
pay
return
you.
your book.
I will pay back you tomorrow.
I will.
Return
I
your
will
Back
book.
you tomorrow.
No, nothing to do with money over here. Money loves Saswa. There are so many other
I-
promises. Promise
Will return your book tomorrow.
I will return your book tomorrow.
return your book tomorrow. All right. And any other promises?
I will go. I will go. I will go.
He will
Mysore
come
tomorrow.
back next month. He will come back.
I will.
He will come back.
I will.
He will come back
I will.
month.
We will come back
I will
to.
start reading book from tomorrow.
I
I
will
will start reading book from tomorrow.
I will start reading books from tomorrow. Okay. I will start reading books from tomorrow. Okay. Yes. Any decision? Yangi will decision.
I will wash my clothes tomorrow.
I will wash. I will
My clothes on tomorrow.
wash my clothes tomorrow. Rebe,
Yes.
will
I will wash
my clothes
my clothes
Tomorrow.
Okay. Offer. Nature said.
I will give you my book.
I will carry you back.
I will carry your
Your
bag.
back.
Okay, so this is an offer. So you can see prediction the plans they are going to slagure and they are your prediction member intention che your the thank you going to member che you can use the present continuous tense. All right, so you can say I am, let's say I'm reading a book in the afternoon. Hey, I didn't say going to, all right? I said I'm reading. It's a use of the present continuous tense. It's still a plan. I'm reading a book in the afternoon. I'm going to read a book in the afternoon. Intentions in deva sigare, plans in a chashi sigare. I'm reading a book in the afternoon. All right, so here it's a use of the present continuous tense there. Okay. All right, this way.
This.
This one. So
Yes.
promise, decision, offer, tamula will sigdwa. And a prediction, the plans, intentions, they're going to the other. In some the present continuous future now.
Yes.
Okay, so that is used with. They are not be verbs. These are non-be verbs. They see, rain, return, have. This is be verb marba. Play, vegetanswa. And the end. The pandemic is going to end this year. The Delia. Okay, end Risha. All right. And then you have I will start Risha. So you see that the verbs here are not be verbs. Now let's see
Yes.
let's see what happens if it's a be verb. Be verb in a kharchi. All right, now here, be verb. Okay, now be verbs to the am, the are, the verb yomarta dina penetration present simple nalia. I am a teacher. The verb is am. Action word yomarchi. I am a teacher. So here the verb is am. It's a be verb. The verb is the be verb here. Now in the past tense, you say I was a teacher. I was a teacher.
I was a teacher.
I
Yes,
was
I
a
was
teacher.
Yama is. Hande gegen yin, yama gegen is. That shuma gegen chicken is leta dichogor.
I will
will
be
that.
I will be a teacher.
Oh, the am the is the are the future the be the kona rangi dil karsa the chaji the group the be verb sigdwa. Chaji the group chaji the ning be sigwa. All right. When you write it in the future, you are using it with will. This is the name of the verb there. It's called the infinitive. So it's the infinitive that is being used. All right. So I am a teacher. I was a teacher. I will be a teacher. The am the be a teacher. So you are smart. You were smart when you were in school, past tense. You will be smart if you read books. They be. He is married. He was married. He will be.
He will be married next month.
Married.
We are a free country.
Free country. We
Were a
were
free
a
country.
free country.
We
We will be
will
a free
be
country soon. Be.
Right. So this is the future simple of be verbs there. Will be, will be, will be, will be. Okay. All right.
Okay.
This was it.
Yes. Yes.
All right.
Yes.
What is okay. All right. So here we are. Can you give me the past tense and the future simple of this sentence? We are monks now. Present
We
simple.
was monks. We were monks. We
We
were
were
monks.
Were monks
last year.
We were monks.
Last
We were
year.
monks
All right.
last year.
Monkeys. Future.
We will
We
be.
will be a monk.
We will be
Monk.
We will be monks.
So we were monks,
Monks.
and then future we
We will
Will be monk.
Will be.
be monks.
Monk.
Artha deyinda. You have
We are rich.
They are
We are rich.
They are.
We are rich. They are
They
rich.
are.
Rich.
okay. What
They are
about this
rich.
one?
They are going to be
They
rich.
They will. No,
They
they will. They will be
will
rich.
be.
They will be. They will be rich. They will be rich.
Will be rich.
They will be rich.
Rich. Or you can say they are going to be rich. That was the rich higher race. Like they are going to be rich or they will be rich.
Is the
Ijana
first
be
That's
bejo yore. Going to be going to be rich because it's a bebop. Okay, what about this one?
Trump was the president of United States of America.
United States of
Trump
America.
was
Was
president of USA.
Of USA.
Trump will be
Trump will be
President of USA.
president of
Joe Biden will be the
John Biden.
Joe Biden will be the president.
Joe Biden will be
Biden will be the president of
Let's
USA.
see
the president
the president
USA.
of
USA.
USA.
Biden will be the president of USA. The Trump chaya marwa hai na Trump. All right. So Biden, Trump ni thanda re.
Trump to asa ta.
Yene Trump mare Biden of USA. Okay. Now, my dog is trained.
My dog was
trained. My dog was trained.
Dog
trained.
was trained. Now, future.
My dog will be trained.
My dog will be trained.
My dog
will be trained.
Okay. This one.
Yes.
So that's when the verb is the be verb. Be verb. Be verb. Be verb. Okay. So verb din ashemba yomar. The action word kyun yomar. It's just the be verb there. Okay. That's how you write the past simple and the future simple when it's only the be verb there. Okay. All right.
Yes.
So now we have what's the time? What's the time?
It's almost 1 o'clock.
12:30 Padrba. Okay, so this we will do the day after tomorrow. This is a revision of all the tenses that we learned: the present, the past, and the future. The exercise, the Nanjinga Chisha. All right, so we'll stop over here. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sure. The be verb.
Yeah. What do you want? Karko.
The slideshow, the be verbs. I am
verb.
teacher.
Okay.
Yeah. I have forgot to take a screenshot.
Okay.
I am teacher.
This one? Yeah.
Yeah, this one. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Okay. So.
Yes.